Hello there, and welcome back to the Dreemo channel. Tonight, we leave the surface world behind and descend into the most mysterious realm on Earth, the deep ocean. We will explore the absolute darkness of the abyss, the crushing weight of the silent water, and the strange, unhurried life that exists miles beneath the waves. This journey focuses on the purely scientific and geological facts of the deep sea, respecting the immense pressure and the ancient silence of the Hadal zone. The scale of the ocean, from the rhythmic glow of bioluminescent creatures to the cold, unmoving currents of the trenches, offers a profound reflection on the power of depth and endurance. Let the immense pressure of the deep blue bring quiet stability to your mind. If you find deep rest in these quiet explorations, please remember to gently press the like button and calmly click subscribe. Your support ensures that the light of knowledge continues to shine even in the deepest darkness. Now, let the subtle, steady rhythm of the deep sea guide your mind to its most peaceful and weightless rest. Part 1. The silent physics of the abyss. Fact 1. The absolute darkness of the midnight zone. Beyond a depth of 1,000 meters, sunlight can no longer penetrate the water. This is the bathypelagic zone, or the midnight zone. Here, the darkness is absolute and permanent. It is a world where the concept of day and night does not exist, and life is defined by a profound, unchanging shadow. Fact 2. The crushing weight of water pressure. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. This is equivalent to an elephant standing on your thumb. Creatures living here have evolved specialized bodies that are fluid-filled and lack air spaces, allowing them to exist in perfect, silent equilibrium with the immense weight of the ocean above. Fact 3. The slow movement of deep currents. Deep ocean currents, often called the global conveyor belt, move at a very slow and patient pace. A single drop of water can take over 1,000 years to complete a full circuit around the planet. This is an unhurried, rhythmic movement of life-sustaining oxygen and nutrients circulating in the cold darkness of the seafloor. Fact 4. The silent world of the deep. Sound travels much farther and faster in water than in air, yet the deep ocean remains a place of profound silence. Most of the surface noise, the wind, the rain, and the waves, is filtered out by the depth. In the abyss, the only sounds are the rare, low-frequency songs of whales or the silent shifting of tectonic plates. Fact 5. The marine snow. Deep-sea creatures survive on marine snow, which consists of tiny particles of organic material falling slowly from the surface. This is a constant, quiet rain of nutrients that takes weeks to reach the bottom. It is a silent, life-giving bridge between the sunlit world above and the dark world below. Second, the biology of the dark. Deep sea wonders. Fact 6. The living light of bioluminescence. In the total darkness of the deep, 90% of creatures produce their own light. This is bioluminescence, a silent chemical reaction that creates soft glows of blue and green. It is used to communicate, to hunt, and to hide, turning the dark water into a silent gallery of living stars. Fact 7. The gigantism of the deep. Many creatures in the deep sea, such as the giant isopod or the colossal squid, grow much larger than their shallow water relatives. This deep-sea gigantism is a silent biological response to the cold temperatures and the scarcity of food. It is a slow, patient growth that results in majestic giants of the abyss. Fact 8. the longevity of the Greenland shark. In the cold, deep waters of the North Atlantic, the Greenland shark can live for over 400 years. They grow only 1 centimeter per year and do not reach maturity until they are 150 years old. Their existence is a profound lesson in patience and the slow, unhurried flow of biological time. Fact 9. The silent movement of the Dumbo octopus. The Dumbo octopus moves through the deep sea by gently flapping its ear-like fins. It drifts through the darkness with an effortless grace, never in a hurry, perfectly adapted to the low-energy environment of the seafloor. Its movement is a rhythmic, silent dance in the cold blue void. Fact 10. The hydrothermal vents. Life without sun. At the bottom of the ocean, hydrothermal vents release superheated, mineral-rich water into the cold abyss. Here, life thrives through chemosynthesis, a silent process that turns chemicals into energy instead of sunlight. This is an ancient, hidden ecosystem that operates in total independence from the world above. 3. The hidden geography of the Hadal zone. Fact 11. The immense depth of the trenches. The Mariana Trench is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. If you dropped the highest mountain into the trench, its peak would still be 2 kilometers underwater. This is the Hadal Zone, named after the underworld, a silent and vast cathedral of rock and water. Fact 12. The slow creation of the seafloor. At mid-ocean ridges, the Earth's crust is slowly pulling apart, allowing magma to rise and create new seafloor. This process happens at the same rate that your fingernails grow. It is a silent, geological expansion that has been shaping our planet for billions of years. Fact 13. The preservation of shipwrecks in the cold. The deep ocean is cold and low in oxygen, which prevents the rapid decay of wood and metal. Shipwrecks like the Titanic remain preserved in a state of silent, frozen decay, thousands of meters below the surface. They are quiet monuments of human history, resting in the eternal embrace of the deep. Fact 15. The ancient corals of the deep. Deep-sea corals do not need sunlight to grow. They grow very slowly, sometimes only a few millimeters a year, and can live for over 4,000 years. They create vast, silent forests on the seafloor, providing a sanctuary for life in the cold, unmoving darkness. 4. The mastery of pressure and time. Fact 16. The fluid bodies of Hadal snailfish. The deepest living fish ever recorded is the snailfish, found at over 8,000 meters. Their bodies are translucent and soft, lacking a traditional skeleton. They move with a quiet, jelly-like flexibility, perfectly adapted to a world where solid structures would be crushed. Fact 17. The silent pulse of whale falls. When a whale dies and sinks to the bottom, it creates a whale fall. This single event provides food for an entire ecosystem for decades. It is a silent, generous legacy, where the death of one giant supports the life of thousands of smaller creatures in the dark. Fact 19. The mystery of the methane seeps. In certain parts of the seafloor, methane gas bubbles silently from the earth. Specialized bacteria consume this gas, forming the basis of a quiet, chemical-based food chain. These cold seeps are silent oases of life in the vast desert of the abyssal plain. Fact 20. The unending stillness of the abyss. The deep ocean is the ultimate destination for all things on Earth. It is a place of final rest, where the noise of the world is forgotten and the rhythm of time is measured in centuries. The silence of the abyss is a sacred, profound stillness that holds the secrets of our planet's past and future. Conclusion. The deep ocean is a temple of silence, a place where the weight of the world is balanced by the stillness of the heart. Let the quiet weight of the blue water guide you now to a deep, weightless stillness. Sink into the enduring, quiet rest of the abyss.